This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lee Sturm. Own a piece of the Chic's beach life and enjoy your own lovely views of the Bay Beach from every window. This unit speaks to those looking for a more open, functional floor plan. The extended balcony is spacious enough for activities like yoga or entertaining guests without the constant shuffling of furniture or decor. Inside, the dual entry kitchen with pass-through allows for entertaining ease and total connection within the home. The neutral color palette makes for an easy design template to customize this unit just how you like. Updates include plank-style ceramic tile throughout the main living area, newer stainless steel appliances, and stackable washer/dryer. Just minutes to everything Chic's Beach has to offer. You'll feel right at home with the Cape Henry Tower's long list of amenities, including community-only beach access, swimming pool, fitness center, on-site accessible management and much more. For more information, review the details below.